So we're out here, we're gonna go rescue a Unimog. Ricky, what's the backstory on this?
It's some customers of ours. He's got a bunch of military vehicles, and it sat all winter. What happened to it?
I got stuck.
Yeah, it's stuck it somewhere.
So basically what's happening in Vermont right now is it's springtime, mud season. This guy wants his rig worked on. We got Ricky's 94, or is it 95? 94 12 valve. It's got a service body on it, 5-speed.
It's for sale.
It's for sale too.
It's got 114,000 miles on it.
But we're cruising out to see if we can get this Unimog unstuck and get it to the shop. So stay tuned, and we'll go see what we're getting ourselves in. All right, so here it is. We found it. Worried about some of this snow right here. It's still drifted in pretty good. This is where the guy had plowed the snow up, so it's pretty solid. So what we're thinking is we're going to back it out and be able to take off.
Alright, well.
So it's a Unimog. It's got a backhoe on the back. It's all militaried out. Got the military tires, paint job. And then it's got a bucket on the front as well. That thing is sweet. He was pissed at first.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
He's like, what are you doing, guys?
Oh.
Basically sitting right up the engine.
I don't know where the starter solenoid is.
Well, the starter's probably on the bottom.
Oh, right. Okay, so that comes up. Water, cold start, turn signal.
This thing is in like wicked good shape.
Start it.
Don't forget to lift the loader up.
How's all the instructions right here for it?
It's not building here.
Right now we're just trying to figure out how the thing works. It's starting to build air. Got the hydraulics to work. Seems to be a stout little rig. Started right up. Gonna attempt to move it here. Starting to build air pressure. So right now we're having a problem with it building air. So it's got air lockers, and that's what we're having an issue with. It's really muddy here. We're worried that without the lockers, we aren't going to get it out. Okay, so it is moving now. Oh, just spinning now. So the rear's locked, the front isn't.
Or locking. If it builds air pressure, we can rip this bucket right out of here. Right in town.
Oh, wait.
Now is it?
Now there's air in that tank.
Maybe just had to build more pressure.
Maybe try that.
No, it might have something to do with that fucking valve. And then you've got another forward. Each forward has 4 gears, so it's an 8-speed, and then you've got 4 speeds in reverse. I think. I still...
Trying to get into 4-wheel drive right now.
I gotta lift the front bucket up first.
Oh, hold on. I'll wait then.
This is outrageous.
Alright, hold on. On the clutch? Yep. Go ahead and try it, Rick.
What's the prognosis on this thing?
She's decked. No.
She's stuck.
We need what?
Need an adjustable wrench or something? And a tire.
We need a thumb adjustable nut fucker.
Yeah.
Wait, we didn't bring any tools?
No. Whose bright fucking idea was that?
Huh.
Our snap-on boxes are too heavy.
Well, Project Unimog's gonna have to wait for another day. Probably till the snow melts too. It's
No.
pretty
Go crawl right out of here.
pretty mucky.